Hello, and welcome to our virtual tour of Angers, France. Our first stop is Catholic University of the West. It is located here in front of us. It is known by its students as La Cathode. It was originally founded in the 11th century. It was temporarily disbanded due to the French Revolution in 1792, and it was later refounded in 1875. There are 7 campuses across the country and 10,000 students. Different areas of study include theology, communication and education, applied mathematics and biology, and applied ecology. Our next stop is Château d'Angers. Château d'Angers is a castle located in Angers, France. It was built between the 13th and 16th centuries. In the 13th century, Blanque de Castile made the decision to make Angers, France, one of the kingdom's strongholds, so she funded the reconstruction of the castle and built the walls around the city. Inside of the walls are the residences of the Dukes of Anjou. The castle was listed as a historical monument in 1875. From the 16th century up until 1947, the castle was used as a prison. Château d'Angers houses the world-famous collection of the Apocalypse Tapestry. The castle offers guided tours which last around 90 minutes, which we will be attending. Our next location is Terra Botanica. Terra Botanica has more than 6 centuries of plant history. To retrace the history of these plants that were brought back from the 15th century by the King René in Anjou. It contains more than 500,000 plants from around the world and over 37 acres of gardens and greenhouses. Here we are in one of the facilities on Terra Botanica. Our next stop is downtown Angers, France. Downtown is full of bakeries, bistros, boutiques, and natural science museums. A lot of our time will be spent in the downtown and around the area as our hotel is located in the area, along with many of the attractions we will be visiting, and our dining options are also located downtown. Angers, France is the former capital of Anjou, and downtown lies along the main river. A 1400s half-timbered establishment showcases locally made crafts in the downtown area. Our next stop is Parc Bellefontaine. Parc Bellefontaine is a park and a public garden in a green open space designated for recreational activities. This park holds many musical venues, and it is a green area to relax and spend free time. Our final destination is Parc des Loisirs Lac de Maine. In the 1960s, this area was nothing but meadows, excavated for gravel in 1969 in a project that spanned 10 years. In 1971, the plans for turning would be empty hole in the middle of the city into a park started with the first area open to the public in 1976. Over 20,000 trees were planted. The Lac de Maine campsite was inaugurated in 1981. Current activities include swimming, sailing, outdoor concerts, an outdoor library, Quidditch, and laughter yoga, among others. This concludes our tour of Angers, France.